You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face. You are able to say to yourself, I lived through this horror, I can take the next thing that comes along. This quote, stated by Eleanor Roosevelt, sums up the inevitable: fear. Living with fear is a normal part of human life. We will never escape from its curled talons, and we will always fear something, someone, even ourselves. But it should never stop us from living. Take a generic situation, for example. A little child afraid of monsters under the bed or the dark are all very typical situations of fear. These are often the first instances where people experience fear, and they eventually wither away with age. Unfortunately, my experience with fear has led me to be more afraid than a child imagining monsters under the bed. Over the years, I have developed emetophobia, which means the phobia of throw up. Yes, this may be the oddest fear any person has ever encountered, but it is a huge part of my life. Whenever someone says they feel sick or actually do throw up, it feels like someone has stabbed me in the stomach and I immediately panic. There is nothing rational about this phobia. Right now, as I'm talking about this, I feel so stupid that I'm afraid of something so insignificant, but when it happens, I go into immediate shock. Truly, emetophobia is a huge obstacle in my life and has mentally impaired me. For example, I am unable to go to the annual state fair from a bad experience. Also, the fear of people getting sick on airplanes make me fear flying altogether. Basically, anywhere where I have experienced a form of throwing up, I permanently avoid it. A few years ago, I could not even say the words throw up, or I would feel sick. But throughout all of this, I have grown stronger, and I am on my way to confronting it, but fear still traps me in its cage. Every day, I feel its claws grab onto me, and in an instant, they completely have control over me. I am hoping to conquer and get rid of this useless and utterly ridiculous phobia, and those monsters can officially be erased from my memories. Obviously, all these situations have affected my life in ways many people cannot imagine. Beyond all of these experiences and fears, I have to let it go and not let something as simple as fear stop me from living life fully, and that goes for all fears. Letting something take over your life is not a healthy way of living. Constantly living in fear of something that is a normal part of life is not rational. Therefore, never let fear stop you from living. This I strongly believe. I believe fear should not impair you to the extent I have experienced. I believe that fear should never, ever stop a person from living, and that the little monsters under the bed should crawl out and run away forever. I believe that fear should be put at the back of all of the unimportant files in the brain, leaving them there to rot away until nothing is left of them to fear. Just like Eleanor Roosevelt says, you gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face.